It's time to make the house clean and ready for them. I'm in love. Hi everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to just share some updates that are happening right now in our lives. And then, oh my god, my stomach, I'm hungry again. I just want to start off with the new updates that are happening, and I am just really excited for this new chapter in our lives. And by the way, if you're new here, my name is dor.sack. I am married to my lovely husband Lior, and we have the most precious son, Fox, who is almost 10 months old, like 9.5 months. And I can't believe we're approaching to the 1 year mark, 12 months. Insane. So the first big update that I wanna kind of like touch on is the fact that we have a daycare for Fox, which is insane. I literally never thought I'm gonna say this sentence. And if you've been around, you know that Lior started to working in New York again, so it's back and forth. We live in Cleveland. I think about a month and a half ago, Fox started to really be really mobile. It's just me and him. I have no time to do anything, barely to go to the bathroom and take a shower, so it's really, really hard. Every nanny that we found here was either not available or available the time that I am not interested to have her here. So, making this story shorter, about 3 weeks ago, I started to looking at daycares, but unfortunately, 95% of them are either like full-time or not at all. Lior and I just really don't want to do full-time daycare. We just want a few hours in a week so I can clean, edit, go to do my nails, my hair, just like relax, just breathe a little bit, and for Fox to have other faces around him, like other babies, and just out of the norm activity kind of thing. So we searched around and we found an amazing place, very flexible. So we started 2 weeks ago, drop him off there for 3 hours, just 3 hours a week. We basically just look at it as like an activity once a week that Fox is just like interacting with other babies. So good and so fitting to what we were looking for. Yeah, I'm very excited. Lior just dropped him off like probably 30 minutes ago and went to do some grocery shopping. His parents, my mother and father-in-law, are coming tonight, which is so exciting. The last time we've seen them was probably like 2, maybe 3 years ago. So we are extremely excited to have them here. They're gonna be here for almost a month, which is crazy, but so exciting because again, we're gonna have other faces here. Fox is finally gonna meet his grandparents. It's amazing. So basically what this video is about is just clean and organized with me. I'm gonna finally make it happen. I literally have this decor sitting here. Oh, it's the mailman. Anyway, my battery is almost dying, so I need to change it up. It's time to make the house clean and ready for them. I think that's it. So let's just start cleaning and decorating. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments if there's anything that you are really excited for next month to come. And yeah, let's just get started decorating. This is the first space that I want to kind of like decorate a little bit. It's all pretty minimal. Lior, say hi.
What's up? How's it going? I'm just gonna grab my headphones.
I'm trying to work with the new gimbal we got. I'm not so good at it. Very professional. Anyway, this is the first place I want to kind of decorate. And then we have our dining room, which is right here. Lior's working on the kitchen, just like cleaning and stuff, so don't mind him.
Going to do the leaves?
Yeah, go ahead.
Leaf blowers.
Bye! Okay, so I'm gonna decorate here. I think it's gonna be really nice to have something around this area. And then, are you ready for a big mess? So this is our coffee table. It's very messy. This is another place I want to put a little bit of decor. And the next place is the mental. I really want to have some stuff there. And the last space I want to decorate is this kind of like bay window. Don't mind the blue tape. I'm just gonna hide it. this bay window, which I love. I put all of our basically decor junk here. In the meantime, you can probably spot Lior in the background, like doing our backyard. So you're gonna see me do my magic, and I really hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna take everything that's fall related out of this box. I'm in love. I have more pumpkins. So let's get started.
You can find another shelter you can call your own. You can't push time, you can't push time, but you can ride out every wave like an alibi. Your past won't leave, your past won't leave. It'll stay with them like it stays with me. You won't break free, you won't break free, 'cause death is gonna get you like it's gonna get me. Swear he's in the morning when the sun comes up. Your God won't talk, your God won't talk, but he'll sing within your blood and he just won't stop. Run, run, just run.
I just finished organizing this area and I realized that I completely didn't press the record for that specific footage. I actually just got this from Target. I just opened the box. It's basically a stand and I was thinking to use it for Lior's birthday party, so I needed something like that for now. I'm gonna use it as like a decor part. I really love how it looks. I just added the honey jar. and a couple of pumpkins, just, you know, very minimal. I really love the way that it all turned out. And now the only part that I have is this area. Yeah, you missed me basically like cleaning and putting everything that I have left on there. And I do have this thing that I bought from Hobby Lobby. No, from one of those, like, I think Michael's. And I'm planning to put it here in the middle, if you can see. And I also bought these like fillers, which I'm gonna probably glue a few here. And I also left these to glue as well. I think it's gonna look really pretty, simple. Have it on here and put it over there in the middle. Lior just brought Fox home. I'm hearing the door open, so I'm gonna need to feed him, put him down. So we're just gonna chat in a little bit. Okay, you wanna go and play with him, or you wanna go for a walk?
We're gonna take Foxy for a walk.
You wanna go for a walk, Foxy?
Yeah!
Mommy's gonna finish decorating and organizing.
Let's go for a walkie.
He's probably gonna sleep.
Yeah, that's the purpose of this walk.
Okay, you're gonna go for a sleepy walk. Okay.
Let's go put you to sleep, buddy.
And also, total mess. Spray them with hairspray. It's so much better after you do that. So just a quick tip. Okay, so I'm working on the wreath now, and I'm on the floor because I wanted a place that I'm not gonna have a lot of mess. I have this wreath hot glue gun. I kept a few of these. I thought it would be cool to add them as well. And I made these the other day. I wanted to make like a video, like a DIY video, but I didn't get a chance to film it, so I just kept a few here. I'm gonna try to incorporate them as well. And lastly, I have this pack, which I might use as well. Okay, so I'm just gonna work on that and show you how it turned out.
Have you seen
So it's the end of the day, it's almost 5, and I feel like that's how I feel. Oxy and Dior are coming back. It's getting dark and we still need to clean the kitchen. Like, it's kind of clean, but we need to finish cleaning it. And I want to put like new sheets for them, so I'm gonna do that now. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed coming along with me decorating the house and getting the house ready for the holidays and for our family to come over, and just like, you know, one of those videos that you just sit down and enjoy and get inspired. Hopefully I inspired you to either clean, organize, decorate, just, you know, feel like more of holiday mood kind of vibe. So that was my original plan. Hope it came through and you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to like this video. It really helps me a lot. And if you want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. And that's it. I'm going to see you again in the next video. Bye. So I'm just woke up. How was your walk?
How was your
How was
walk?
your walk? Oh.